Hey, everyone! Welcome to Factaarc, where the world's most mysterious and hidden places come alive. Today, we're heading deep into the Arctic Circle, to a land so cold, so quiet, and so massive, most people forget it exists. This is Greenland, and these are 10 unbelievable facts that will completely change how you see it. Fact 1. The world's largest island. Greenland is officially the largest island in the world that is not a continent. It spans over 2.1 million square kilometers. That's larger than France, Germany, Spain, and Italy combined. Yet, less than 60,000 people live there. Think about that. An area larger than most countries, with a population smaller than a small city. This makes Greenland one of the most sparsely populated regions on Earth. Fact 2. Ice everywhere, but it's called Greenland? Here's the ironic twist. Over 80% of Greenland is buried beneath ice. So why is it called Greenland? One legend says the name was a trick, used by the Viking Eric the Red to make the island sound more appealing to settlers. In truth, Greenland is far icier than Iceland, which is actually greener. The icy cover is so thick in some places that if it melted, sea levels around the world would rise by over 7 meters. Fact 3. No roads between towns. Unlike almost every other country, Greenland has no highways or roads connecting cities and villages. Why? The icy terrain, vast mountains, and glaciers make road building nearly impossible. People travel by small aircraft, boats, helicopters, snowmobiles, and dog sleds. Imagine living in a place where visiting your neighbor town means flying. Fact 4. It belongs to Denmark. But not fully. Greenland is part of the Kingdom of Denmark, but it's not just another region. It has self-rule, its own parliament, and its own flag. Since 2009, Greenland has controlled most of its domestic policies, but Denmark still handles foreign affairs and defense. So, while Greenland is technically not an independent country, it is also not fully governed by Denmark. Fact 5. Nuuk, the tiny capital. Greenland's capital city is called Nuuk, and it's one of the smallest capital cities in the world, with fewer than 20,000 people. Yet, despite its size, Nuuk is colorful, modern, and surprisingly creative. Brightly painted houses line the icy shoreline, while cafes, museums, and modern buildings stand in the snow. It's a capital like no other, peaceful, cold, and surrounded by wild Arctic beauty. Fact 6. Endless daylight and endless darkness. Because it lies above the Arctic Circle, Greenland experiences extreme daylight cycles. In summer, the sun doesn't set at all in the far north. This is the midnight sun, where it stays bright even at midnight. In winter, some regions are covered in 24-hour darkness for weeks, a period known as the polar night. Imagine living in total sunlight, or total night. Fact 7. Northern lights like you've never seen. If you want to see the aurora borealis in all its power, Greenland is one of the best places on Earth. Between September and April, the skies explode with color: green, purple, pink, dancing over icebergs and mountains. The silence of the Arctic, combined with the light show, creates a magical experience most people can only dream of. Fact 8. Melting ice, rising seas. Greenland's ice sheet is melting, faster than ever before. This massive sheet holds about 10% of Earth's freshwater. If it all melted, global sea levels could rise by more than 7 meters, putting many coastal cities underwater. Greenland isn't just a frozen place, it's a critical part of our global climate system. Fact 9. More dogs than people? In Greenland's rural towns, sled dogs are still a part of everyday life. In fact, in some areas, there are more dogs than people. They're used for transportation, tradition, and survival in the cold. Dog sledding is not just a tourist attraction here, it's culture, history, and identity. Fact 10. No trees in most of the country. Due to the harsh cold and icy soil, most of Greenland is completely treeless. Only in the southernmost parts can you find tiny shrubs or dwarf trees. Looking out over Greenland's white horizon, you'll often see only snow, rock, and sky. A vast, untouched wilderness. So, which of these facts surprised you the most? Was it the ice-covered land that's named Greenland? Or the idea of living in a capital city with fewer than 20,000 people, surrounded by ice, mountains, and silence? Imagine traveling between towns with no roads, only snowmobiles, helicopters, or dog sleds. Or seeing the sky come alive with the northern lights above endless glaciers. Greenland isn't just a cold place on the map, it's a mirror to our planet's past, and a warning about its future. It holds ancient ice, raw beauty, and silence so pure, you can hear your thoughts. If this kind of mystery excites you, you're in the right place. Factaarc is not just a YouTube channel, it's your window to the world's hidden corners. We explore beauty, geography, facts, and cultures that are too often forgotten. So if you're curious, hit that subscribe button, drop a comment below, and let us know where you want us to go next. Until then, stay curious, stay inspired, and we'll see you in the next video.